The Sacramento Kings have lost 4 games in a row on the road. They're on the road tonight, taking on the Orlando Magic. That's their leading scorer. Aaron Aflalo back in action. First quarter, Jameer Nelson hitting the spot-up corner 3 with a hand in his face. He had 9 points and a half. Magic up 12-5. Kings on the run. Keep your eye on Isaiah Thomas hanging and hitting the reverse layup there. He had 13 points at the break, and the Magic's leads down to 2. Later, Kyle O'Quinn gets the block on Rudy Gay. We go the other way, and Mo Harkless for the finish in transition. He had 5 points in the game. The Magic up by 10 at that point, 42-32. Later, O'Quinn feeding Aflalo, who hits the baseline jumper. He was 9 of 17 from the field, took a foul on that play as well. The Magic up by a dozen. Rudy Gay, though, heating up. He is a scorer. Knocks down the 3. That cuts the Magic lead down to 5. Later, Thomas out to Gay, who hits another one. That cuts the lead down to 2. He had 10 points at the break. Orlando's lead at that point, 54-52. Marcus Thornton turns it over. On the other end, it's just too easy for Jameer Nelson. Rolls right on in, gets the layup. He had 13 points at the half. Orlando led at 58-56, and look who's in the house, Santa Claus, enjoying some decent seats up there. Isaiah Thomas, third quarter, has got better seats than Santa. Right on the court, lays that one in, 62-60. More from Thomas, fadeaway jumper. Look at him create the space to get the shot. 23 points on the game. Sacramento, remember, they have lost 4 in a row on the road. They're up by 6 at that point, 68-62. Victor Oladipo, the rookie, into the paint, gets the shot to go there. 75-74, Sacramento in front. More from the kid, right to the rack, laying that one in. He had a dozen points on the game. Orlando up 76-75. Sacramento, though, they have an answer, and it's Rudy Gay now. 23 points on the game. Sacramento up 78-77. Marcus Thornton in the 4th. This kid can just catch fire. Unbelievable shooter. Nails that three-pointer. Then Thomas knows a hot hand when he sees it. Over to Thornton again. Thomas again to Thornton. Another triple. That one goes down. He had 15 points on the game. Sacramento goes up by a dozen. They hang on to win it by 5. Your final score, 105-100.